Hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to play in makeup. Basically that's what this whole video is going to be about. This is another installment of my Green Beauty for Brown Beauty series where I just test out all the recent green beauty makeup that I received over the past few weeks. I put them on my face. I let you guys know how it works on beautiful dark brown melanated skin tone like myself, and I would just discuss it, and that's basically what it's all about. Before I would only apply the lipsticks and I would swatch everything else. This time I'm going to be applying everything on my face as best as I can. So right now my face is bare. I do have foundation on, a light dusting of powder foundation, and that's it. No brows, mascara, nothing else. First thing we're going to take care of are these brows. I'm just going to discuss the products in order of how I would apply the makeup. It says TMF, and it is a pure brow pencil in the color Nina. TMF stands for the Makeup Factory, and it's an Australian brand. So it's a retractable brow pencil. That is the color swatch right there on my hand. This is how much product you get in total. So this is how it looks. Let's talk about it. The cons for me is that it's too creamy, which means that it slides around. When I was applying it, it was really creamy. Creamy could be a good thing for some people. For me, it's not. I prefer it to be more hard and stiff so that the product does not slide around too much. And then if I wear this for the rest of the day, by the end of the day, if I touch right here, it's going to be gone. One quick mistake, if I'm not paying attention, like I'm raising my hand or I'm touching my face or I'm changing a shirt or something, and it touches the brows is gone. I could be embarrassing myself in public, and I definitely don't want that. So that's why I tend not to like creamy brow products. The color is not the worst, but in person it looks a little bit too brown. I need a little bit of more of a darker color mixed into it. It's too brown where it almost looks like it could be purple, like a plum purple, but it is wearable. It's not the worst, especially the fact that my hair is lighter. I could make it work, but the creaminess is definitely a no for me. Rejuva Minerals Water Resistant Mega Lash Lengthening and Thickening Mascara in the color Midnight Black. This is the wand. A very fluffy wand. Not sure if you can see the difference, but this is the first coat. Second coat. The mascara is on this side, nothing on this side. Not sure if you can tell the difference in my lashes, but it gives more of a natural looking mascara. This is just for light dusting if you're running out the house and you want your lashes to just flutter a little bit. It did separate my lashes, which is great. It added length, not much volume, but it mostly added length in my opinion. Just mascara, and this is from Plain Jane Beauty. This is what the wand looks like. This mascara I'm going to test on the left side of my face. One coat, don't know if you can see the difference. Another coat, and another one. DJ Khaled, we the best. Okay, calm down, you're having too much. This is another natural looking mascara for everyday running out the house, grocery store, possibly going to work for a light makeup look. This is not going to be a heavy duty full face dramatic mascara, and that's fine. That is mostly due to the natural ingredients, but that's what falsies are for, false lashes if you want that, and these are just for your everyday looks. So I would say definitely give these mascaras a go. To me, they're good to go. This is a sample concealer that I got from Vapour Organics. And you guys know I love my samples. That's how I afford this green beauty lifestyle. It's through samples. I reviewed the Vapour Organics foundation. I happen to like it myself. It's great for me in the summertime. That review is right there, just in case you want to watch it. And after I reviewed the foundation, when I got the sample, I decided to get some more sample products from them. So I got a few items. This is the Vapour Beauty Illusionist Concealer. It is smudged because I did swatch it on my hand already. I haven't applied it to my face yet. And this is the color 060. So 060 in the Illusionist concealer. This is how the concealer is looking on my face. It's really close to my skin tone. I got a good whiff of my candle. If you guys don't know, this is the another product that I'm trying out. This is the Natural Annie's lemon and vanilla soy candle. So these are natural soy candles. Smells awesome sauce. Just has the whole beauty area just lit right now, like literally lit. Lemon and vanilla. All right, back to the concealer. I find that it did basically nothing for my face. It just blended in with my skin tone, which could be a good and a bad thing. The good thing about that is it is too dark for my skin, which is great because that means that for people that are darker than me, this will be a great concealer for you. So they offer darker shades. Bad thing is that it does nothing for me. Kudos to you, Vapour, for offering a concealer that is darker, that is too dark for me, but it will work great for someone else with a darker skin tone. I can possibly use this as a foundation though. That would be a really dope idea. But as a concealer, you did nothing for me. I'm not mad at you though. I'm really not mad at you. But you basically did nothing for me. This is the Vapour Organic Beauty. This is another sample product. This is their translucent bronzer in the color Spicy 223. I applied it all right here, and first I was just using the brush to apply it around here. Still wasn't seeing it, so I said maybe the brush is like, you know, taken away from the product. So I used my hand. I just kept dabbing it with my finger. Still not seeing it. I put some around my hairline. Still not seeing it. So this product, even though it is of a dark color, to be a bronzer for me, to basically bronze up my skin tone, I need it to be a little bit darker. So this is one of the products where it's dark, but I need it to be a little bit darker. This is the BellaPierre Cosmetics Contour and Highlight Pro Palette. This I received in my recent Vegan Cuts box. These are the colors right here. The good thing so far is it has a mirror. So, I mean, I had to find some kind of positive in it. It comes with a book also that tells you how to apply it. You know, it gives you a whole demonstration and everything. So that's another plus. Based on the instructions, these are the contour colors down here. I'm just going to take a swing at it and start with the darker color. Well, these two are both dark colors, just depends on the undertone. This one over here is Truffle, and this one is Brulee. I think I'm going to try with Truffle first. Bop, 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 bop. Get a clean brush. So I'm definitely getting ashy kind of look. The color is too light, so I'm going to now move on to the other side, the Brulee, which is this one. I'm going to try this one now. Okay, this one, Brulee, is a little bit darker, which is better. See it right there, and yes, it's cutting my cheekbones. I can see my cheekbones, but it's not a shadowed look like a contour is supposed to be. It's more of an ashy look in my opinion. There's nothing here, but the product is right there, like right there. You try to blend it out some more. The color just doesn't match. So let's try the highlight part. Which color should I even start with? I'm going to just start with this one over here, and this is called Bellini. On the face, this is how the contour and the highlight is looking. All honesty and all fairness, I'm not really here for the contour. The highlight, I really don't care much for it on its own. But if you have no other options, I would suggest use it to set your regular concealer, just so that you're not wasting your money with the product that you already purchased. I swatched all the colors for you so you can see it. Okay, let's put it together. My hand is breaking. Let's turn. So this is the bottom row, the top row. This is how it looks. Hopefully you guys are getting a good view of it. From Elate Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. And it is a universal cream. So I'm taking that as it can be used to many different things. So I'm guessing this could be used as a lip cream. So let's try it on the lips first. Another thing is that it's sinking to the lines of my lips, making my lips look more chapped than they already are. not the worst color on the lips. If you receive this, could make it work, but would I go ahead and purchase this particular color on its own? Nah. Let's try it on the cheeks as a blush, since it's universal and all. If you guys can see it, but it's not bad. I don't want to apply too much and look like a clown, because I mean, it is Halloween season, but I'm not about that life right now. But it really is not bad. I like the way that it blended out really easily. Adds a slight bit of color. I like it as a blush, honestly. This is how I would wear it, but just so that you guys can see it on camera, I'm going to apply more, but that's not how I would wear it. I'm just going to do it for you guys so you can see it. But it added a slight flush of color, not necessarily that I'll blush pink, but I liked it. If they had the same thing in like a peachy color or like an orangey color, I should check. That would be beautiful, because I feel like orange blushes and peachy blushes, especially orange blushes, look beautiful on my skin tone. That would be really awesome. And let's try it as a, what's this thing called? Eyeshadow. Why not, right? Let's just, I mean, it is universal, so let's just pop it on the eyes. See what happens. On the eyes, you probably can't see it, but it added, similar to the blush, just a light wash of color. I'm not mad at it at all. I received this as a sample in something else that I ordered, so I will use this possibly as a light blush and also as a light one color eyeshadow, because sometimes you don't want like a full face of eyeshadow, just a one color. This is not bad. Just apply some primer, eyeshadow eyelid primer, and just pop this on for like just a little extra oomph to the eyes. I'm not mad at it. Now, would I have bought this on its own? Probably not. But because I got it as a sample, I am not mad at it at all. I would rock with it. I would rock with it. The Vapour Organic Beauty Siren lipstick, the color Bold 420. It's a beautiful plum reddish purple. So it's like a mix between red and purple. So it's like a really dark red and so dark that it's basically plum purple. Now, mind you, the top of my top lip is more pigmented than my bottom lip. So this is how it's showing up. I find it's a beautiful fall color. Really moisturizing. Feels good on the lips. This is it. This is from the company 100% Pure. This is what the packaging looks like. This is their Cocoa Butter Semi Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color Currant. I find the color to be very pretty. I actually like it. It is like a fuchsia pink color with hints of purple. The only thing about this lipstick though is if you don't exfoliate your lips and have nice, smooth, supple lips before applying it, will straight embarrass you. Like, this lipstick will embarrass you because it's a semi-matte formula, so it is a dry formula. It's supposed to last all day. Really beautiful, really light powdery feeling on the lips. It's not moisturized, it's not wet, it's like a light, it feels like powder on your lips. So if your lips are not exfoliated and if it's not proper, if it's not right, this will embarrass you. But other than that, it is a very beautiful color and I actually like it. Let's see, does it transfer? Yeah, it transferred a little bit. Just a little bit tad, but not bad. So if that is it, guys, we're done. We've come to the end of swatching all of my recent products. I know my face must look like a hot Cheetos mess. A hot Cheetos mess. But it's okay, I'm doing it for you guys. Anyway, like I said, all the products will be listed below in the description box. Make sure you check out the ingredients before you purchase these products to make sure that they're right for you and your green beauty journey. If things are not what you want, then don't purchase it. If the ingredients are not what you're looking for, then don't purchase it. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have an entire playlist of all the other Green Beauty for Brown Beauty swatch videos that I have done. I will link it right here for you guys. I mean, enjoy the entire playlist. Enjoy all the other beauty products that I've swatched over the years. Yes, years. I've been doing this for almost 2 years now. I think it is 2 years, or is it a year? I'm not sure. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for your support, not only on YouTube, but on Instagram and Twitter and all the other social media sites. Y'all are the real MVP for that one. Have a great day, and don't forget, in whatever you're doing, make sure you are enjoying your journey. I'm out. Bye.